Okay, so question 3, the way you lay this out. You do project A. And we'll just put 0. This will be the year. Just you can lay it out diagonally. I'll just see if I can copy it straight down. Probably won't let me again. No, I don't think so. So we'll do 480,000, 560,000, 635,000, and then 575,000, and that's 234. Okay. I've put that out there. Okay, so project A MPV. Okay. So I'll put the discount factor in here, and that's just what you're going to discount this by. That's going to be 1. I think they should give it to you. They should, in the exam, give you the discount factor. Let's have a look. Yes, they do. So use this. Okay. So what is it? What is their discount factor? So you look here, and you look, okay, what's my cost of capital? It's 13%. Okay. Okay, so now you've got to tally this 13% to the number of years. You never discount year 0. Year 0 has always got a discount factor of 1. So you just take that and you just times that by that. Okay, so that's 13%. We go down here, we say 13%. Okay, 13%. 13%, great. So year 1 is 0.885. So we go 0.885, then 0.763. 83, sorry. Be careful. It's very easy to do. 0.693. 0.613. Okay. And then we just times these numbers by them. Okay. It's literally as simple as that. You just times it down. Yeah, so that would be times by that, would be times by that, that would be times by that. You just times it by the years, yeah, so the discount factor. So what that's telling you is the discount factor is lowering the cash flows each year because that accounts for the additional risk that you're taking, okay? And this should be minus. That will be minus. So then you sum that up. So the MPV for each of these. And the key thing with the decision factor, like something like this, is whichever project's got the highest MPV. Whichever project's got the highest MPV is the one you select, okay? Project B. Okay, so we need to actually add. Remember here, at the end of year 4, you've got scrap value of 175. Oh. Okay, don't forget that. Project B also. Okay. Oh, so I've already typed that in, so I don't need to do that. You just times it all again. Yeah. Drag it down. Don't forget at the end of year 3, the machine's got a scrap value of 675, so just make sure you add that in to year 3. Plus 625, 1, 2, 3. Okay, sum that up. Okay, so as you can see, this has got a positive MPV and this has got a negative MPV, so therefore you would accept this project. So when you go to answer question B, you would state that you would proceed with project B because project B gives a positive NPV, whereas project A has a negative NPV. Okay. So you need to calculate the payback. The payback period is relatively simple. What you do here is, I would need to take these again. So what you're going to say is you just take these numbers and you work out the cumulative amount. So you go, okay, so I've paid back. At this point, you're just trying to look at when you reach this figure, when you pay back this figure. Oh, okay, so I've reached, so you just go, okay, so at this point, I've got 104,000, that's fine, 1.4 million, then you add that, 1.67. Okay, so you pay it back in year 4, but you need to add in the 175 again, let's not forget that. Okay, so you pay back, so at this point you know in year 4 you're going to pay this back. So what you do is you take how much you still owe, so work that out, take 100 minus that. Oh, okay, so I've got 125, so you're going to pay back 125 in this period. So you take the amount you still owe, which is 125 because you pay back nearly 1.8 so far, and then you divide that by that, and that's 1.6, and then just times that by 12, and that is perfect. So that's 3 years and 2 months. Okay, is your payback period.